Hi guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Diwali series. So this year I'm going to be doing a series of videos for you guys starting today. So until the day of Diwali, I'm going to be putting a new video every single day related to Diwali. So I am so happy to be doing this because earlier I wasn't really sure if I'll be able to pull it off, but I found a way to do it and I'm just super excited. So the first video in my Diwali series is a Diwali sale haul from Nykaa. So now Nykaa is really famous for having their huge sales sometimes during the festive season or Independence Day or end of the year or end of season or something or the other, and I absolutely love their sales. But what happens is whenever I order from them, it's always been in really small quantities. So whenever I order something from Nykaa, it's just been either 1 or 2 products and max 3 products. I don't know why it's been that way, but that's just how it's been. And this is the first time where I've ordered so many products together, and I am just super happy to be showing them to you guys. So this is the pouch that they sent along. So every time you cross a particular amount on Nykaa, they sent over a free pouch, and it's the first time that I did on a single order. So this is the pouch that they sent over. I think it's super cute. It has all these golden detailing, it's hot pink, it has a tassel, and I just love it. And all the products that I got are inside this, so I'm just gonna show them to you guys now. So the first product that I got from them is the LA Girl Pro BB Cream. Now this is in the shade medium deep. Now this is slightly dark for me, like it's like half a shade dark for me, but I'm completely okay with that because I'd rather have a shade darker than a shade fairer. So now this is a really nice BB cream. I wore it yesterday and I really like the formula. Although I had to take it off within an hour, I don't know how long it'll last, but for now it seems like a really good BB cream. The second product that I got is the Maybelline Hyper Glossy Eyeliner. This is in the shade Silver Trance. I don't know if you can tell, I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. I absolutely love this, guys. I was very skeptical about buying a silver eyeliner. I didn't know how well it would show up and how nice it would look, but I really like the way it looks. It doesn't show through too much, but when it shows, it looks really nice. It's very metallic, it's slightly glossy, but I'm okay with that, and I really like the way this looks on my eyes. I've ordered 2 eye pencils from Nykaa. So the first one is the L'Oreal Silk Kiss Me eyeliner. This is in the shade True Teal, and this is what it looks like up close. To start off with, I love the color. I think it's a gorgeous color and the formula seems really nice. It's very creamy and it just glides on my hands. So yeah, I really like this. The second eye pencil that I ordered is by Colorbar. So this is in the shade Amethyst Park. It's their Glide Eye Pencil. Now I have used the blue color from this range and I really like the formula. The color is really pretty. It's a pure purple amethyst shade. Now this does have some shimmer in it, which I'm not extremely happy about because when you apply it, it doesn't show much, but when you take it off, you have glitter all over your face and you have to really use an oil or something strong to remove it. So that's something that I don't like, but otherwise the formula is great. So Nykaa recently launched their matte nail colors, and guys, I'm obsessed. I tried them on and they look freaking gorgeous. So the first color that I got is called Pink Meringue. It's a beautiful pastel pink color, very similar to a rose quartz color, and it just looks gorgeous. The second shade I got is called Matcha Tiramisu. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced. This is a beautiful military olive green color. Now this is a color that I love no matter what season it is, no matter what time it is. I think it's a really versatile color. You can wear it anytime, and I just really like this color. The third color that I bought is called White Chocolate Ganache, which is a pure white nail color. I love white nail colors because they look so statement making and bold, and it's something that goes with every skin tone, and you can sport this with basically any outfit, and I just love it. The fourth color that I got is called Black Sesame Pudding, which is a pure black matte nail color. And the final one that I got is called Lavender Panna Cotta, which is a beautiful lilac color, guys. This is one of my favorite colors of all time, apart from pink, of course, and it's something that I totally adore. So now coming to all the lip colors that I got, which is the biggest part of my haul. So some of my lip colors started getting really old, some of them expired, and altogether my taste in lip colors has changed so much, and that's why I bought a few colors that I've been obsessing over lately. So the first 2 lip colors that I'm going to show you are by Nykaa again. So Nykaa also launched their matte lip colors, which I think is amazing. The price point is very inexpensive and the shade range is great. So I got 2 colors. So the first shade is called Taupe Thrills, and this is what it looks like up close. So it's a very taupish brownish nude, very good for an everyday wear. The formula is nice. Although they are matte lip colors, they have the slightest sheen, which is fine by me. I like the texture a lot. It's just a velvety matte texture, which is something that I really like. The second shade that I got is called Devious Pink, and this is what it looks like up close. So it's a really nice everyday kind of a pink. The next two lip colors I got are by Sugar Cosmetics. So this is their It's About Time Vivid Lipstick. Now I'd been wanting to try this for such a long time. I've tried that matte as hell lip colors. I'll leave the swatches and the review on top in case you guys are interested. Now I got two shades again. So the first shade is called the Big Bang Berry. So this is a beautiful berry color, guys, and it's just an amazing lip color because this is something that you can wear during the day, in the night, depending on what you're up for. So this is what it looks like up close. This is the color right here. What I really like about this color is that it's bold but it's not overpowering, so you can wear it during the day comfortably or in the evening, night, whenever you feel like it. The second shade that I got is called Breaking Bad. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. So it's a very pinkish nude lip color. I absolutely love this, guys. I've been wearing it all day and it just stayed on my lips for such a long time, and I just really love the formula. It's just a great lip color. It just glides onto my lips and it's very smooth and velvety, and it's matte, which is something that I again love. Now this is not drying, which is amazing because if you have dry lips, it's still something that you can wear, and this is actually very moisturizing. My lips were feeling a little dry this morning, but right now they just feel perfectly fine because the lip color is super moisturizing. The next two lip colors I got are by Kadaba. So the first shade is called Pretty Please, which is a beautiful coral red color, and this is what it looks like up close. So now this is a very wearable red color, again something that you can wear during the day. So I was looking for a red lip color which is something that I can wear more often than a pure red, and this shade is something that I definitely think I can use much more than a pure red color, and that's why I got this. The second lip color that I got from Kalaba is their Kiss Proof Lip Stain in the shade Hot Latte. Now this has been the hot favorite of so many bloggers and it's been sold out for the longest of times, and I'm so happy that it was in stock when I ordered it. So this is what the shade looks like. Now this is a very terracotta-ish brown. It's not a pure brown. This just looks like terracotta to me, and I think it looks freaking gorgeous. Now this is a lot like a liquid lipstick which dries matte, so when you apply it, it will be a little glossy and liquidy, but you give it some time and it will dry down on your lips. The last lip color that I got is by NYX. It's their Liquid Suede range. Now I've got in the shade Amethyst, and the color is as bright as the bottle, guys, trust me, and this is what it looks like when it's swatched. Now this is not a pick-me-up kind of a color, super experimental, can't wear it too much, and that's exactly why I've gotten this, because I wanted a lip color with which I could really experiment, and I think purple is one of my favorite colors when it comes to makeup because I think it looks gorgeous on Indian skin tones, and I'm super excited to be trying this out. I haven't tried it onto my lips yet. I'm a little nervous, but I'm super excited as well. So guys, that was my Nykaa haul. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. Follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter for regular updates, and I'll see you tomorrow in my second video for Diwali. Mwah.